Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to prepare your little pet to travel with you by air. And this pet is real special. It's ESA animal, a dog, Chihuahua, miniature Chihuahua, and I'm gonna show you. There's her tag. And so she can go on the flights for free. The rest of the animals must be, you have to pay, but of course you can still take them. And that's how she goes to her travel bag, special travel bag. And it's really cool small bag because she's so small, and still tons of room inside. She can turn around, even stand, and she sometimes even have her food there. And so here's all her little pets. Even though this bag there is a pad, it came with the pad, but I put it extra plastic. But she there's never accidents with her. She always only goes when she goes on the grass and she's waiting, and there's never any accidents with this smart little Chihuahua. And so that's how I carry her. And she's got this tag, and we have like a letter document from a doctor that it's ESA animal, and she's required to be with us all the time. So of course she's teeny tiny. She goes for free in a cabin of the plane. The rest of the animals can go, but you have to pay for them. And only ESA animals, they go for free. And yeah, and here is her tag with her picture. And there is access required by federal law, flights and housing. There's a name of the owner of this dog and her ID I covered. And so yeah, there is her picture, and that's how she travels. She travels a lot. We travel a lot. She goes to Europe. She goes around the United States. And she loves her bag. And so yeah guys, if you have any questions, just write your comments and I'll answer them. And subscribe. And yeah, maybe you'll see this little beautiful girl on one of the flights on a business trip. That's how she goes with us. Oh, now she wants to sleep there. Are you tired? She just loves her travel bag because, you know, she's used to it. Okay, I guess that's about it. And so, and it's like really easy to fly with your animal. So yeah, just guys, take your pets with you. Don't leave them at home. It's okay, you know, to take your pet with you, especially when it's small. Big dogs, they go in a cargo section, and I feel so sorry for them, how those poor dogs in a cargo section. But because they're big, you know, you can't take them in a cabin of the plane. But this one, this bag, it fits under the seat, and that's where she sits quietly and nicely and sleep while it's flight, and everything is just fine. Say hi to everyone. Hello everyone. I'm going to fly again, like soon, next a few days. And if you see me, you maybe recognize me. I'm kind of famous Chihuahua, 'cause I travel with famous people. Okay, and what's your name? Well, you forgot your name? I'm kind of so sleepy. I'm sorry guys, I'm just falling asleep.